Hi, I'm Eric Roberts with Apex Piano Technicians Network, and I gotta ask you a question. Do you have enough clients? Do you have enough tunings? Are you making enough money as a piano tuner and technician in your service area? If you even think, no, I don't have enough, or I just want more, I can help you. Todd and I can help you. We have multiple resources, including the Catalyst Marketing course, which is all about boosting your business, getting highly rated, and getting at the top of Google, and just basically a 10x effort to take over your entire area of every search result for piano tuners. Look, if you don't have enough clients, or you're not making enough money, there's a few reasons. Number one is you're not acquiring enough clients fast enough to stay in business. If you don't overcome this, you will go out of business. You will have to get a job. You will have to go do other things that will pull you away from becoming or being a successful piano technician. That's the biggest problem. You're not acquiring enough clients fast enough. The other problem, and I address all of this in the Catalyst Marketing course, number two problem, you're not charging enough for your services. So you're charging too little for what you're doing. You're going to someone's house, spending an hour or two, and not making enough money to pay all your bills and all your expenses and to thrive as a successful, well-paid piano technician. Now, those two things are the main reasons most people go out of business in all of America and all of the world. If you're not getting enough clients and making enough money on each client to sustain your business, to be successful, you will not be able to be a piano technician. And the biggest thing that I want you to understand is I want you to be a successful piano technician. If you want to be a full-time piano technician making a full-time living, I want you to do that. If that's what you want, that's what I want. And the only way to do that is to succeed in getting enough clients and charging enough. Two things that I cover in Catalyst Marketing course. I'm inviting you to join me in that so you can get out of that little idea of I need more. If you need more clients, if you need more money as a piano technician, this is the first step to take with us. Join the Apex Piano Technicians Network at apexpiano.com and get your 50% off code for Catalyst Marketing course. Take the course and begin that journey. You can also join us on Patreon, where we do piano tech talk and business talk every week and every month. We do live, we answer all of your questions, and it's coming straight from Todd and I. Right now, we are the highest rated, highest volume piano technicians in our market, and we've built that in a very short amount of time, and it just continues to just build so much that when I was tuning alone, I couldn't do it enough. And so that's when Todd came in and partnered with me. And now we can tune as many pianos as we want and also do as many other jobs as we can do, regulation, voicing, all of the things that service field technicians need to do. If you're not doing enough business, if you're not making enough money, join us at Apex Piano Technicians Network, apexpiano.com, and take a quick look, a really good quick look at the Catalyst Marketing course, because we want to show you how we're doing it. We'll see you there.